In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load styles from an InDesign file into InCopy. We'll bring professionally defined text styles from an existing InDesign document straight into your InCopy file, so your copy fits the project's typography and formatting from the start. Before you begin, it's a good idea to save your current document, just in case you want to roll back. Start by launching Adobe InCopy. Open the document you'll be working in, whether it's a standalone file or part of a collaborative workflow. With your document open, go to the top menu and choose Window, then head to Styles. This is where all your text styling controls live. From here, decide whether you want to work with paragraph styles or character styles. Paragraph styles control full paragraph settings like fonts, spacing, indents, and hyphenation. Character styles handle more targeted formatting, like italics, bold, small caps, or a specific color applied to select words. Open the panel that matches what you need. In the upper right corner of that panel, click the panel menu icon. It looks like a small stack of lines. This menu gives you the load commands you'll use to import styles. If you only need one type of style, choose Load Paragraph Styles or Load Character Styles. This is great when you want to keep your document lean and only bring in what you'll actually use. If your goal is to mirror the InDesign project completely, choose Load All Text Styles to import both paragraph and character styles in one go. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the InDesign document, the .indd file, that already has the styles set up for your project, then double-click it. InCopy will scan the file and show you the Load Styles dialog box. Here, you'll see a list of available styles. Check the boxes next to the specific styles you want to bring in and uncheck anything you don't need. If InCopy finds a style with the same name in your current document, you'll be prompted to resolve the conflict. Choose Use Incoming Style Definition if you want to overwrite your local style with the exact settings from the InDesign file, ideal when you're standardizing across a team. Choose Auto Rename if you want to keep your existing style and also bring in the imported one. InCopy will add Copy to the new style's name so you can compare and switch at your own pace. When you're ready, click OK. Your selected styles now appear in the panel, ready to apply. For best results, test a paragraph and a short phrase to confirm everything looks consistent. And that's it. Your InCopy document is now aligned with the InDesign project's text styles.